side, and I've run for many miles, trying to get away from the things I'm afraid of, and everything inside.
You say that we're already done, but what does that even mean? You tell me to open my eyes, that God, it was just a dream. I guess that's how you know that it's love, when you're scared to death to leave. You say that you never leave, never leave.
Baby, hold